Yes, sir, ma'am and all my classmates. Today, the topic for my presentation is Kathak. Kathak, do you know from where it is originated? To anyone? From where? No. From the northern part of India. Yes, you can say Uttar Pradesh also. So, Kathak is one of the major dance forms of Indian classical dance, originated from the northern part of India, particularly from the Mughal courts. The word Kathak is derived from a Sanskrit word, Katha, which means story. With a rich history, Kathak evolved with the tradition of storytelling bards known as Kathakars or Puraniks, who used music, dance and storytelling to narrate myths and legends. Kathak is mainly known for its intricate footwork, which is done by wearing ghungroo. Do anyone know why do we wear ghungroo? Do anyone know why do we wear ghungroo while doing Kathak?
Because it's that costume for that dress.
Yes, there are several reasons, but I'll tell only two. The first reason, it makes the dance look very elegant, beautiful and very professionalized. And the second reason, the sound of ghungroo is very positive. When we wear ghungroo and do dance with it, the voice spreads in the surrounding and makes the surrounding very positive. There are three main styles of Kathak which can be said as gharanas. And the name of those three gharanas are Banaras, Lucknowi and Jaipur, each with its unique characteristics. Kathak is mainly done with traditional music like tabla, sitar and vocal music. Some famous persons like Birju Maharaj, Sitara Devi and Pandit Gopi Krishna have helped to popularize this beautiful art form. Overall, Kathak is a revered, expressive classical dance which is used to tell a story by emotions, hand movements and expressions. Thank you for listening to me.
You said that Kathak is originated from northern part of India. So can you tell me from where that Kathak was originated? By the Mughals or the Nawab Sahib of Lucknow?
It was particularly originated by the Mughal Empire. In the ancient time, the Kathak was done in the courts of Mughals Empire only, and after that the northern part of India adapted it and it became the origination of northern part of India.
Was there anyone from Lucknow also?
Yes,
Lucknow Nawab.
Nawab of Awadh you can say. Yes.